Glassec 2024 offers so many different perspectives, and today is the Architecture Forum here at the fair. Antoine, you are here and have already had your presentation. How does what you do coincide with Glasstech?
So yeah, we were quite happy to be invited, and it's mainly the connection is because we have presented parking garage transformation that are mostly blind buildings, opaque facades, really deep, really depth. So not really into the proportion are not really linked to the new usage. Mostly we are transforming them for offices, schools, or commercial space. And then you get to cut this volume to bring light, natural ventilation and views. And then we jump into the glass facades because it's the better way to bring these three conditions. And then it's interesting also because when you glaze this kind of building, you reveal the section, and then everything is in a way understandable when you see the facade, because you see the cuts, you see the slab, you see sometimes these offset levels that were used for the ramps and the circulation of cars. And then it's important also to meet other architects and to see this kind of discussion together about how to intervene with glass. So I was quite happy to do the presentation.
What would you say is the development of glass in architecture in the last years? Does it have? Is it being used more? Is it being used differently? Does it even have a better reputation than it did years ago?
I think that I don't know if it's more or less, but I think that also with the stakes of sustainability we all have to achieve, then it gives other questions about how to make sure that it's not going to heat inside, and so that's why we provide system of ventilation. We work with specific engineers for also some kind of shading and protecting. How this shading, I'm thinking of a project we are doing with some kind of balcony, and this balcony create the shade. So it's also interesting to mix the new usage with the technical needs for the glass facade. But so for me, if there are some changes, it's more about these kind of topics.
As an architect, what is your biggest wish from the glass industry?
Uh, I don't have a big wish. It's just that I think that I'm going to make a tour and to see all the new invention, and maybe I can answer to your question after.
Thank you very, very much. And yeah, thank you for being so spontaneous and talking to me today. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.